I request Ma'am Leia to go first and then to be followed by Professor De Chavez.
Okay po. Thank you so much, Dean. So, good morning, Ms. Olaivar.
Morning
Uh,
po.
your study, Perceived Effect of Office Layout on Customer Satisfaction. So, doon sa, pwede mo bang pakidala doon sa iyong conclusion? Ay, sorry. Doon muna sa respondent's profile. Paki-flash nga doon sa ano yun. Okay, so ang sumagot sa'yo na over 55 years old ay 8 out of 60. Ito ano? 8 out of 60. So, ang naging result base dun sa presentation mo is that highly, pakidala na sa ano, Ms. Oliver, makikisuyo. Pakidala na dun sa conclusion. Okay, ayan. Okay. So, your conclusion says that most clients, okay, high overall office performance yung naging resulta. So, the office layout rated strongly agree across all dimensions. So, highly
Yes po.
satisfactory yung servicescape niya. Ano pa? In terms of accessibility and navigation, so it allows smooth movement. Also, so maganda yung resulta
Yes po.
nung study mo ano, so highly positive siya, satisfactory in all aspects. Now, ang
Yes po.
tanong ko is, what is your major final output for the study? Kasi kung satisfactory yung result, sige, ano muna yung major final output mo? Kasi it's
Opo.
not
Well,
included here.
for future improvement for mag-install ng digital queuing system po.
Your volume of reading is not
And
Enhancement,
for
I guess everybody follow because they have
digital queuing.
yes
Ang
po.
suggestion mo. Okay, okay. Paki-ano nga din sa recommendation, Ms. Oliver. Kasi I was wondering kung satisfactory naman dun sa mga customers yung office layout, what else could there be? Ano, hindi naman pwedeng, kasi ang nakalagay sa recommendation mo is, ano to? Ayun, okay. So, upgrade signage and queue system. So, I think ito pwede. Kumbaga, kung satisfactory siya, so ano pa yung kailangang i-improve? Halimbawa, in terms of lighting conditions or accessibility and security, kung wala naman silang nakikitang nakikitang problema. But okay yung naging sagot mo, so digital queuing system. So this is,
Po.
kaya lang, so eto, kung proposed siya, ano ang pinakang form nito? I mean, anong output ito? Is it just a proposal or is this a design for or digital queuing system?
Or just a suggestion for future improvements in the office, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, it is a
Or
suggestion
propose.
it is a proposed suggestion. So what I'm asking is, how are you going to present this proposed digital queuing system?
preliminary.
Ma'am, sorry, may I
Yes,
butt
ma'am,
in
it's
na
fine.
po?
Mm-mm.
I'm actually reading your major final output, but I don't see any digital queuing system in your
Hindi yan,
major
ma'am.
final output.
Anong major final output niya, Ma'am J? Na nakaano?
Guidelines po.
Okay. Miss Olivar, saan ang galing yung sagot mo? Kung ganun. Where did you get that? Iba palang nakalagay sa paper mo. So, bakit yun yung sinabi mo?
No, dito sa amin, ma'am, hindi pa gumagamit ng digital queuing system, ma'am.
No, I'm
Wala
asking,
pang
bakit iba? So, sa recommendation mo, ito, okay, kaya I accepted it kasi nakalagay digital queuing system. So, I am expecting that in your paper, the major final output is also the same. Okay? So, sabi ni Ma'am J, guidelines lang. Recommendations for improvement. So, I suggest, ito na yung gawin mo, proposed. Digital queuing system. So, you should maybe look for mga possible suppliers lang. Mag-provide ka ng list, ha? Mag-canvas ka na lang possible suppliers for digital queuing system and include the features. Kasi kung highly satisfactory naman sa lahat ng areas na tinanong mo, edi I don't think kailangan pa natin mag-focus dun sa layout, 'di ba? Sa office layout. So additional to or enhancement lang. Also, you mentioned na okay yung mga seats for PWDs. Kaya tinitingnan ko kanina kung ilan yung napasagot mo ng mga over 55 kasi baka hindi sapat dahil ang majority naman ng sumagot sa'yo talaga is mga working eh. So syempre iba yung physical need ng mga kagaya natin kumpara doon sa mas nakatatanda. So wala namang ibang comment yung mga nakatatanda. Talaga bang highly satisfactory
On
yung mga
the
PWD seats or
based
areas?
based on the survey, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yun po lang.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Cruz. Okay, can we go directly to the fourth, fifth, and sixth? Mr. Panel, can you do fourth, fifth, and sixth?
8 out of 60 yung over 55 eh. Punta ka ba dito? O yan o. Tiningnan natin kanina eh. 8 out of, so 13%. But it's okay kung hindi naman lumabas yung ano. Balik ka na lang sa conclusion, Ms. Olivar. Ito lang yung final comment ko siguro. Other comments I will include in your paper. So dito sa
Yes,
conclusion mo, kasi ang dami mong recommendations. So those recommendations could be a source for major final output. Pero hindi naman kailangan nga kasi highly satisfactory naman yung lumabas. So I suggest i-align mo yung recommendation mo sa conclusion mo. Okay, so say for example, conclusion 1, most clients are working age individuals, mainly for bill payments, making office layout a recurring experience. Parang hindi, okay, parang hindi insightful yung conclusion mo. But anyway, ang point ko lang is that ibangga mo yung conclusion mo sa recommendation mo. So ano yung conclusion mo? Halimbawa, conclusion 1, so make sure na related dun yung recommendation na ilalagay mo ha. Ganun na lang yung
Yes
gawin
po.
mo.
Yes po.
Okay? And tanggalin mo na yung comment mo siguro or yung ano mo na commentary mo na willing silang bumalik. Kasi talagang babalik sila dahil magbabayad sila ng bills, 'di ba? Mostly the activity that na ginagawa nila doon is bills payment. Okay? So yun lang. Other comments ilalagay ko na lang sa paper mo. So yun na po sa akin
Sige
din.
po.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Professor Alba.
Po.
Professor J.
Po.
Okay, so good morning, Miss
Morning.
Olivar.
Morning po, Prof.
Ayan. So, okay, so I will just suggest comments for my comments as well and suggest revisions for specifically on your conclusions ngayon ko lang actually siya din binabasa yung inyong conclusion mo. So, I appreciate naman na somehow aligned naman siya dun sa findings mo. However, I would like to point out na medyo overstated yung ibang claims. So for example, sinabi kasi dito na sinabi mo na ang office layout is a key driver of customer satisfaction. But based on the results itself, ang nakalagay doon, the correlation is only 0.3. So ibig sabihin, ang nakalagay dito, it is only moderate. So technically, yes, significant siya, but hindi siya primarily strong enough to conclude na yun yung talagang factor. So I suggest na I think you have to reframe this as one of the several contributing factors. Hindi lang siya yung main driver. So I also included that in my comments in your paper. And also napansin ko kasi dun sa results mo, ang lahat ng responses ay almost strongly agree. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Ayun. So, it would be better if you acknowledge also the possibility of yung tinatawag nating ceiling effect, kung ano yung pinakamataas, ano yung pinaka response bias. So, kasi baka nakakaapekto to dun sa consistency nung results mo. Okay, so I also believe na kailangan mo kasi masagot yung so what, hindi lang siya more on expliciting what are the findings. So I think you have to rewrite your conclusions following
Yes,
also
po.
the comments and suggestions made by Professor Alva. And on
Yes.
your recommendations, okay, so punta ka sa recommendations mo. Okay, so sa pagkakaintindi ko sa iyong presentation and in your paper, actually practical at okay naman siya. Kaya lang, I think para sa akin, medyo pantay-pantay sila ng weight. Ibig sabihin, para sa akin, it's walang prioritization doon sa recommendations mo. So, kasi in reality, my husband actually worked in an LGU setting. So, in reality, hindi ba lahat ng recommendations na nakalagay dito ay kayang ma-implement agad due to budget and operational constraints. So I suggest para sa mga makaka-benefit nitong research na to, yung recommendations mo, i-categorize mo based on priority. So let's say high priority, medium priority, and long-term priority. I-rewrite mo lang yung recommendations mo based on the categories of priorities. Then, i-anchor mo din yung, let's say, primarily sa lowest rated dimensions like nakalagay dun sa findings mo, acoustics and safety or security. And also, try to make your recommendations more specific and actionable. Follow SMART format or smart approach. Hindi lang more on general improvements. But also, kasi pag finalo mo yung SMART approach, mas madali siyang i-apply in actual practice na maaari din magamit ng mga LGUs natin.
Yes,
Ayan.
po.
So, yun ang akin for recommendation. But on
Thank
your
you
major
po.
final output, finally, so medyo nalito ako. Sabi mo nung una, yung, digital queuing system.
Yes po.
Okay, so sorry, let me refresh my mind. Ano nga yung sinabing recommended major final output ni Ma'am Leia, tama ba? Digital queuing system
Yung
din?
Ma'am,
yung
yun yung
mag-propose,
kanyang na-mention dito, nakalagay na dun sa kanyang recommendation. Kaya sabi ko, pwedeng yun na. Pero kung if you have a better suggestion, ano na lang din natin, ma'am, kay Ma'am Olivar.
Okay, so sige, Miss Olivar, what do you think is better, yung nakasulat dito sa iyong papel or mas ifa-follow mo yung suggestion ni Ma'am Leia so that I can move on to my next question?
So
yung
this
sa akin, yun lang yung digital kasi wala kami nito, ma'am. You propose
Digital
like
queuing system.
yes po.
Yun ang magiging major final output mo.
Yes.
Okay, so if that is your planned proposed major final output, paano mo siya i-present in your paper? What will be, what do you say, the component or system, or how will you recommend that, how will you recommend that on LGUs kung paano nila gagawin yon? Sige nga, further enlighten me on that.
Canvas po ako ng mga supplier ng mga digital queuing system po. Yung
Okay, so
maghanap ng
ito ba ay magiging like guidelines ng mga LGU para kung paano nila i-implement ang digital queuing system, or more on a training program on let's say mga kung paano i-implement ano ba to? Anong exact major final output? Is this a training program to be used by LGUs or specifically just guidelines?
guidelines lang siguro po kasi hindi naman na siguro natin kung i-accept ng LGU talaga ng gagamitin ang proposal kasi i ano pa yan sa budget kung pwede or for the year na budget kung pwede siya, may budget ba siya.
Okay, so guidelines on adapting digital queuing system for LGUs.
Opo.
Tama? Yun ba magiging
Yes
major
po.
final output mo?
Yes
Okay.
po.
Okay, so again, paki-check sa iyong papel. Yun ang ilagay mong changes and revision for your major final output. And then for that guideline, lagyan mo na lang ng components related to that. Pero meron din naman ako may i-suggest na magiging components ng guidelines on how will the LGUs adapt using digital queuing system. Okay? Ayun.
Yes
So
po.
for me po, ayun lang.
Thank you po.
Thank you very
Okay.
much, Professor J. Lorne. Now let's go for the verdict, which will be delivered by the chair of the panel, Professor Alba.
Okay po. Verdict na nga po ba? Medyo nagkagulo dito. Hindi ko masyadong May dumating kasi. May dumating.
Sino?
Okay po. From Korea. May dumating po from Korea eh. Nagkagulo kami.
Meron na
Hindi-
dyan.
Ay, wow! Ano
Umalis-
yan?
Pupunta ako.
Pupunta na si Dean. Okay po. So, to deliver the verdict. So, Miss Olivar, all in all, your paper talaga naman is sa tingin ko naging successful naman yung conduct mo ng research mo. So, in behalf of the Oral Examination Committee, Professor De Chavez, and of course, Dean Baldovino, we are inclined to accept your
Wow.
paper.
Po,
Congratulations.
thank you
Provided
po.
Congratulations.
nagagawin mo lahat ng mga suggestions at saka mga comments. So, congratulations,
Yes po.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Anak,
Rap.
I'm so very proud of you. Congrats.
Thank you po,
Novelia,
Dean.
you are
Yes po.
given 7 days to revise your manuscript, ha? Other
Yes po.
instructions, doon na lang muna, doon ko ilalagay sa JC. Okay?
Thank you po.
God
Thank
bless,
you.
anak. May tanong ka
Thank
or
you.
wala?
Sa GC na lang din.
Okay, hala.
Tatanong.
At pakisabi
Yes,
sa
thank
GC, Rodriguez, pasok ka na raw. Enter ka na
sige.
sa
Thank
Zoom.
you po.
Si
Thank you
Rodriguez,
sa
ha?
lahat.
O hala.
Okay.
Babay na, Novelia.
Bye-bye.